Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Skin Fiction, where we don't just talk about skin. We get under it, over it, and sometimes even around it. I'm Dr. Dima, your friendly neighborhood confidence consultant and skin wizard, here to help you look and feel your absolute best. Today, we're talking about one of the best things you can do for your hair and skin. I want you to imagine a treatment that uses your own blood to rejuvenate your skin, stimulate hair growth, and combat the signs of aging, all without the need for harsh chemicals or invasive surgeries. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi novel, right? But it's real, and I'm going to tell you all about it today. In the wild world of regenerative medicine, there's a quiet revolution happening, and the battle between PRP, platelet-rich plasma, and PRF, platelet-rich fibrin, is happening. Both are amazing for hair restoration and skin rejuvenation, but there are key differences, and PRF is quickly dethroning PRP in clinics around the world. PRP had its moment on social media, but most don't know about PRP's hotter sister, PRF, or platelet-rich fibrin. Both are groundbreaking treatments, but if PRP is the trusty sidekick, PRF is the superhero swooping in to save the day, capable of way more than you'd expect. If you're ready for better hair, smoother skin, and results that go the distance, you're in the right place. Before we crown a winner, though, it's essential to know exactly what these are. First, let's talk about PRP, aka platelet-rich plasma. In simple terms, we take a little vial of your precious blood and spin it around like we're shaking up a cocktail. This process allows us to separate and pull out the platelets, those tiny little powerhouses packed with growth factors that help regenerate tissues and encourage hair follicles to grow and even rejuvenate skin. PRP has been around for years, finding its way from orthopedic clinics and dentistry into the world of aesthetics. PRP gets the job done. It's like the flip phone of hair treatments, reliable but a little outdated. PRF, on the other hand, is the upgrade you've been waiting for, the smartphone of hair and skin restoration. It's smarter, faster, and packed with all the features to give you results that go the distance. So what is PRF and why is it better? Platelet-rich fibrin is essentially the new generation. It's PRP's most biologically sophisticated cousin. PRF takes it to the next level. It packs in more power and lasting results that give your body the boost it really needs. Think of it like this. PRP went to med school, but PRF went to med school, residency, and postgraduate training. While PRP delivers platelets to the potluck, PRF rolls up with stem cells, white blood cells, and fibrin mesh, the full course meal and dessert. These ingredients make PRF not only more potent, but also longer lasting. It acts like a scaffold that helps growth factors stick around longer, so PRF gives you results that stay strong and keep improving over time. So what's the big difference in how we do it? Well, both treatments start the same. Take your blood, spin it in our special centrifuge. We lovingly call it the blood margarita machine. No salt rim, just pure science. And we extract the good stuff. But here's where things differ. PRP uses a high-speed centrifuge, which spins your blood like it's auditioning for a NASCAR event. This quick spin strips out a lot of the healing entourage. It separates the platelets and gives you a good concentration of growth factors, but it's kind of like grabbing a snack at the bar. It's satisfying in the moment, but you're left wanting more and ending up Ubering Taco Bell to your house at 2 a.m. It also requires anticoagulants like sodium citrate. It keeps the mixture from clotting, but it also reduces the regenerative magic. PRF, on the other hand, uses a slower centrifugation process with zero additives. The slower process preserves cell integrity and includes more of your body's natural scaffolding, namely fibrin. Fibrin acts like a mesh and slowly releases growth factors for over 7 days. Imagine building a house. PRP is like slapping up a few walls, but PRF is pouring a solid concrete foundation. Fibrin is the strong base that supports the whole structure, allowing those growth factors to hang around and work their magic for much longer. So why is PRF better for hair restoration? PRF is like a reset button for your hair, bringing it back from the brink in a way that feels almost unreal. You might catch yourself in the mirror wondering if it's science or something a little more magical. What makes PRF different? For starters, it releases the growth factors slowly over time. That steady drip creates a longer lasting environment for hair regrowth, helping dormant follicles shift from the resting phase into the active growth phase. That's where the real change happens. PRF also contains more stem cells and regenerative ingredients like leukocytes and stem cell markers. These target inflammation and reverse the miniaturization process that causes hair thinning. It doesn't just wake up your follicles, it helps them stay healthy and strong. Now, don't get us wrong, PRP can work, but it's more like a quick boost. PRF is the upgrade, the one that lasts longer, works deeper, and actually helps. Now, there are other things that can be done, like using a hair serum. The one I make is actually 11% minoxidil mixed with hair growth botanicals. You can use red light therapy. It kind of looks like a helmet that you wear for about 15 to 20 minutes every day. You can take a hair supplement that contains things like biotin. Now let's talk a little bit about why PRF is better for skin rejuvenation. PRP has been used for a long time for vampire facials with microneedling, but it's more like a fertilizer than an actual structural fix. However, when PRF is injected into tired, sagging areas of the face, like around the jawline, the nasolabial folds, under the eyes, wherever you're showing signs of aging, it not only sparks collagen production and improves texture, it forms a gel-like matrix, giving subtle yet natural, long-lasting volume to these areas. PRF can be used alone or even mixed with hyaluronic acid-based fillers. It can also be mixed with heated albumin, giving you a thicker injectable gel that mimics HA, but without all the swelling and puffiness that HA fillers are notorious for. Now, let me briefly mention some protocols. For both PRP and PRF, we usually do anywhere from 3 to 6 sessions, 4 to 6 weeks apart, then maintenance, which varies per person and their individual needs. Lastly, the hair and face are definitely not the only places these treatments can be done. We do it a lot for sexual wellness. Yes, that means it can be injected into the penis and the vagina to help improve the nether regions. That's often referred to as the P shot or the O shot. Here we call it the heads up shot. Check out to learn more in our YouTube video. When can you expect results? So let's talk about what you can expect. PRF isn't some kind of magic trick. It's real science at work. If you're looking for hair regrowth, what you'll actually start to notice first is that your hair stops falling out. Then you'll notice some new growth around the 3-month mark. But don't expect to wake up with a full head of hair overnight. Full results typically take 6 to 12 months to fully develop as your hair follicles wake up and start to produce thicker, stronger strands. For skin rejuvenation, it's the same story. Your skin won't be glowing like you just got off a beach vacation in one treatment. But over time, as collagen production ramps up, you'll start to see those fine lines soften, your skin texture improve, and a radiant glow that lasts. PRF doesn't just give you a quick pick-me-up. It's about building healthier skin and hair from the inside out. And here's the most crucial part. Consistency is key. Regular treatments help you build long-term, natural-looking results that not only last, but improve over time. So stick with it, and you'll see real, sustainable changes that make you feel like the best version of yourself. All right, that's a wrap on today's episode of Skin Fact or Skin Fiction. Got questions about PRF, hair loss, or anything else we covered today? Don't be shy. Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help out whenever I can. Hey, remember, your journey to glowing skin and thick, healthy hair isn't just about treatments. It's about confidence. So go ahead, embrace the process. Let your body do the magic. I'll catch you next time. Stay glowing, stay confident, and keep being the best version of yourself. See you soon.